Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with the new topic. So the name of the topic is about amazing trees. We know that trees gives us food, shade, shelter, and it gives us oxygen to breathe. So tree is very important in our daily life. Trees helps to prevent soil from being washed away. You all might have seen different types of trees, but there are some trees which are called amazing. So let's see why these trees are called amazing. So we will start with the first tree. So let's see the first tree, that is Japanese cherry tree. So the Japanese cherry trees, they are a symbol of spring for Japanese people. So this Japanese tree, it blossoms during the springtime. So you can see now in the picture, it is a beautiful tree. It is a beautiful tree which blossoms during the spring. So Japanese name given to this tree, it is called sakura. It is called as sakura. So most of the flowers are white or pink with 5 petals. So the Japanese cherry tree, it has the flowers, it has are white or pink with 5 petals. So these cherry blossoms and these leaves, this flower and these leaves are edible for eating. So Japanese people, this they use as a food ingredient. So many people from different countries visit Japanese during the springtime to see these amazing Japanese cherry trees. Now let's see the next amazing tree, that is eucalyptus. So eucalyptus are tall trees and it is most numerous in Australia where they grow naturally. It is also called as gum trees or stringy bark trees. Eucalyptus have long thin leaves. They are light or dark green. It has also small flowers grown on and it has many colors including white, yellow and shades of red. Eucalypti also have small woody capsules. Inside the capsules are seeds. Some eucalyptus leaves contain an oil that has a strong smell, so this oil can be used as medicines such as in cough drops. It is also a medicine for malaria. The wood of eucalyptus trees are also used to make furnitures and fences. So you can say it is a medicinal plant as well as a furniture building plant. Next amazing tree, that is baobab tree. So the baobab tree, it is a tree with thick trunk and baobab trees are found mainly in Africa. The trunk of this tree, it can have a circumference of 25 meters round and a diameter of 29 feet. So it is said that this tree can store thousands of liters of water in its trunk. So you can see how huge the trunk of the tree is. As well as many as 50 people can stand in this hollow trunk. It is said that more than 50 people can stand around this trunk. So the types of baobab trees is also found in India, Sri Lanka and also in Australia. And it grows mostly in the drier parts of region. So this tree lose their leaves during the winter and its branches look like roots that grow into the air. You can see in the picture the branches looks like the root which grows into the air. The baobab trees have large white flowers that open in the evening. So it has a large white flowers which open in the evening. So the fruit of the baobab contains vitamin C and it is said that the leaves has a taste like spinach. And baobab trees, it is a shelter, food and water to the African people. Now let's see the next amazing tree, that is about neem, which is a very familiar tree. So neem, it is a fast growing tree that can reach up to 15 to 20 meter tall and even sometimes 35 to 40 meter, and it is evergreen in color. The native of neem tree is in India, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Malaysia and Pakistan, and it grows in tropical and semi-tropical regions. The tender shoots and flowers of the neem tree are eaten as a vegetable in India. Also, these neem leaves are dried in India and it is placed in cupboards to prevent insects eating the clothes. Also, bark of the neem trees, leaves of the trees and flowers are also used as a medicine in Ayurvedic. It is also prescribed as for the skin diseases. Neem oil is also used for healthy hair, and also it is used to improve liver functioning, for the blood balance blood sugar levels. So neem leaves have been used to treat skin diseases also in many different types of diseases. It is used in Ayurveda medicines. Neem gum is a rich source of protein. Also, neem is also used as a shampoo for washing the hair. So, it is a very useful tree. So, the leaves, flowers and the bark of the trees are used in the Ayurvedic medicines for different purposes. So, neem tree, it is a very useful tree. Now let's see the next amazing tree, that is giant sequoia. The giant sequoia is called as the big tree. It is a very large tree. The giant sequoia are more than 280 feet, that is it is 85 meters tall, and 30 meters, the trunk is around 30 meters around at the bottom. The bark of the tree is reddish brown in color. The giant sequoia usually have branches only near the top because the lower branches fall away as the tree grows. And the leaves are blue-green in color. The giant sequoia is a conifer. It means that it produces cones that hold its seeds. It is said that it can live to very old age. It means it can live more than 3,500 years old. So giant sequoia, it can live 3,500 years. The wood of the tree is very rich in chemicals which keeps it away from the insect pests, and even it is prevented from rotting. The thick bark does not burn easily, so the bark of the tree is very thick, so it helps to protect the tree from any type of fire. So this tree is found in the areas of California. Now let's see the next amazing tree, that is maple trees. So maple trees are small shrubs that grows to a large trees. So the leaves of these maple trees are very attractive. They grow in North America, Europe and Northeastern Asia. You can see in the picture it looks very attractive. So in autumn the leaves turn its color, that is it is to yellow, pink, orange, scarlet and deep purple. There are about 200 types of kind of these maple trees. It is often planted in parks and along the city streets to look attractive. And it is also a good shade tree because their leaves form a thick dome, that is its leaves are very thick. Flowers appear in early spring and they vary from deep red color to greenish yellow color. These maples also bear seeds which fall into the ground, scattering the seeds away from the tree, and it can grow into a new maples again. Maple syrup and sugar, it comes from the sap of the sugar maple. So these trees grow mostly in Canada and in the United States. So people collect the sap in late winter or early spring. The sugar maples and some other species also provide it for wood, building furniture and also other products. So it is a very beautiful and amazing tree. Now let's see the next amazing tree, that is banana. So banana is called as a tree and you all are familiar with this tree. Bananas are one of the most important and popular foods in the world. So they are a very important and popular food. They are a flavorful fruit that is full of vitamins. It is a very tasty fruit full of vitamins. They can be found in stores throughout the year. It is always found every time. Now, people grow bananas in Africa, Asia, Central America and South America. So, it is found in Africa, Asia and Central America and South America. Bananas grow on a banana plant. You can see in the picture, it grows on a banana plant. It does not have a woody trunk like a tree. So, it does not. The banana trunk, it does not have a woody trunk. America. The leaves grow very large near the top, so it is a very long leaves, you can see. A banana plant only produces one bunch of fruit. One bunch of fruit only grows in one banana plant. There are also 100 types of banana and the most popular, that is the common banana, it is a fruit that is yellow and which is sweet, which is very sweet. Bananas are usually eaten fresh. They can be used in pies, in cakes or in bread. Bananas contain the mineral called potassium and it is a very good source of vitamin A and C. It is always cooked before being eaten, that is our raw bananas. Now let's see the next amazing tree, that is banyan tree. Banyan tree, which is a native to the Indian subcontinent, is also called as Indian banyan. It is one of the largest tree. Banyan tree produces roots which grow downwards, that is it grows downward as aerial roots. So when these roots reach the ground, they grow into a woody trunks. When these roots reach the ground, it grows into a woody trunk. There are figs that is produced by the tree and it is eaten by the birds such as Indian myna. For thousands of years, people have used banyans as sources of medicine. Today in Nepal, people use banyan leaves, barks and roots to treat more than 20 types of disorders. And it is the national tree of the Republic of India. The leaves of the banyan tree are large, leathery, glossy, green and elliptical in shape. Also, the banyan tree, it is supported by many roots above the ground and it is spread over a large area and it is also a shelter for many people. So I think so children, you have understood some of the amazing trees. Now let's see the exercise part. Now in the exercise part, let's read the description and we have to name the tree. So the first one, it is supported by many roots above the ground that spread out over a large area. So it is supported by many roots above the ground. Above the ground you can see the roots, so many roots. So it is a banyan tree. So you can write first one, banyan tree. Now see the second one. The leaves of this Australian tree are a favorite food of the koala bear. So we have learned about the eucalyptus plants. So it is found in Australia. So it is also a favorite food of the koala bear. So you can write second one, eucalyptus. Now see the third one. In autumn, the pointy leaves of this tree, which is Canada's national tree, so it is also called as Canada's national tree, turn a beautiful bright red and yellow. So we have studied about this tree. So this tree is called as maple tree. So you can write maple tree. See the fourth one. The products of this tree are used in traditional Indian medicine. So it is used in the traditional Indian medicine. So it is a neem tree. So you can write neem tree. Now we will see the fifth one. Almost all parts of these tropical trees are of use to human. That is, its branch, its leaves and also its fruits are also used by the human. As you can see from the picture, it is a banana. So I can write banana. See the sixth one. The white trunk of this odd-shaped African tree can hold large amounts of water. So its trunk is very large that it can hold a more amount of water. So the name of this tree is called as baobab tree. So you can write sixth one, baobab tree. Now see the seventh tree. These trees of California, USA are among the world's largest, oldest and widest single tree. So it is the world's largest, oldest and widest single tree. So the name of this tree is giant sequoia. So it is a giant sequoia tree. So you can write seventh one, giant sequoia. See the eighth one, last one. This tree is mostly grown for its beautiful bright blossoms. So it is a very beautiful pink color blossom cherry like tree. So it is called as Japanese cherry. So you can write eighth one, Japanese cherry. I think so you have understood some of the amazing trees, and also see the fun time, that is tick the things that are made from trees. You have to tick the things that are made only from the trees. So seeing the picture, you can do it as your own. So do as your homework. Okay children, that's it for today. Thank you and do well.